in your book should start with, you should start on page 3 and write the title and write the date again. So it's going to be 12/10, and it's going to be, what is it?
Definition of an adjective.
Definitions of an adjective. Definition of an adjective. And that's going to be on page 3 at the very top. That's your title. Now I'm going to ask you, what is the definition of an adjective? Or do you know what an adjective is? Who knows? Marissa?
It's a thing to describe something.
Describe what?
Like a pig, it's big.
And put 12 pins away again.
It has a big nose.
Okay, so an adjective describes something. And she said, Marissa said a pig. Okay, what part of speech is pig? What is that? What part of speech?
Now.
It's a noun. So then it's safe to say that what? An adjective describes a noun. So there we go. That's a working definition of what an adjective is. This is the definition that you're going to write in your notebook. You're doing great. If you ask yourself whether or not a word is an adjective or not, first check the word before it. And it usually will describe that word. For example, pig. Where would the adjective go?
Pig.
In front of pig or behind pig? Pig big? Pig big or big pig?
Big pig.
Big pig. So then the adjective goes where?
In front of it.
In front of the word that is going to describe. Now I have this exciting book about adjectives that I'm going to read. And you're going to have to pay attention. Look at the title. What is the title?
Many
Lollies.
Many
Luscious lollipops.
many luscious lollipops. Okay, where are the adjectives? In the title. If you look at the definition, which words describe lollipop?
Which one?
This is a book about adjectives. What are these?
butterflies.
How would you describe these butterflies? What would you say? What words would you use to describe the butterfly?
Colorful.
Okay, colorful is one. And I'm going to put these words down. And you can use these, yes, you can write these words as examples. Arthur.
Beautiful.
We've got beautiful. Who so?
Yeah.
What do you see? Nichelle.
Maybe?
Many. Yeah, they do. They like nectar.
Next round.
Sweet.
Okay, but we're describing the butterfly. Don't worry about it. I'm going to read this page. Shaquille, you can't give up like that. Okay, what does it identify by? An adjective's terrific when you want it to be specific. It easily identifies by number, color, or by size. So now what else do we have?
By size.
Oh,
Okay, why do you think those letters are in capitals? Because what?
It's
Kiara.
it's describing the size.
So what are those words? Adjectives, that's it. Let's move on. An adjective describes a thought, idea, or emotion. Peaceful coexistence, a universal notion. That's an idea. The idea of peace is a notion that we all want, right? What can you think of? What can you think of right now in the world that would be the idea, would have the idea of peace? What's going on in the other side of the world? No, what are we into now? What's going on in the world? What? Somebody said it. War, okay, and where's the war?
In Iraq.
Okay, and so we're going to look at some metaphors. And they're adjectives. And it is perfectly okay if you arrange your words this way. Roses are red, violets are blue. They're predicate adjectives if you do.
wow.
They're predicate adjectives if you do. Why do you think they said that?
Because
Roses are red, violets are
It sounds
blue.
like a poem.
It is a poem.
When you said no, I was thinking about what that
Roses
was, but I was just thinking about Bambi. I was thinking about Bambi the movie because I didn't know it was a deer. I forgot. So I thought about Bambi.
Okay.
thinking about that.
Okay, let's move on. What does this look like?
Puzzle.
Ooh, try
Puzzle.
What's the picture in the puzzle?
Parrots. Lots of parrots.
Nice bird.
There's birds, but there's some missing pieces.
The parrots camouflaging.
Puzzle piece.
It's a puzzle piece. Hard and green.
There are some of the pieces.
With parrots on it.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, Shakira, you're gonna have to be seated because everybody else can't see.
Oh, there's
And
one.
if you ask a question too, was this puzzle hard to do? And I'm going to want you to write as many adjectives as you can to describe this clown. You can't think of anything. You looking at the clown. What do you see? You write what you see. What do you see? That's how you describe. Okay. But then, what adjective would you put in front of that word to describe it? Okay, that's how you do it. Deshaun, try to see it. So you wouldn't just say colorful. Colorful is one word that can explode into many words, especially when you look at a clown. And especially this clown. So what do you see? You see colorful, but what else do you see?
He's tall.
Right?
What colors do you see?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Purple, red, and blue. That's
Okay, is that what you have? Do you have that down?
I do.
Okay, yellow.
Now this is going to have to move somewhat quickly, so I need your attention. And you're going to have to pay attention. If you're not paying attention, I will pass by you. She'll give it to you. If you're not paying attention, I'm going to have to pass over you because it's really critical that you pay attention. There's no laughing. There's no other conversation going on. Shaquille, we'll take care of it. I think I'm going to have to overlook this table right here, this group, because we still are we're getting away with ourselves, and we can't afford that. Oh, which hand do you write with? Okay, you're going to have to record your observations with this hand. Okay, so you're gonna have to,
That's marker.
What are you doing?
remember you're using adjectives to describe this.